Hey guys, sorry my video got cut off because the storage on my phone became full, so I'm sorry that you have to watch this in two parts. That's my bad. All right, so I left off, I was at 9 minus 12 plus 5. 9 minus 12 is -3. -3 plus 5 is 2. So that means you have a point at -3, 2. Then I need another point. I'm just going to do -4. So -4 squared plus 4 times -4 plus 5. -4 squared is 16. 4 times -4 is -16. And then plus 5. 16 minus 16 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. So you have a point at -4, 5. So you can go ahead and graph that point as well. Now, because the vertex is above the x-axis, and because this is opening up, I know that there aren't going to be any x-intercepts. So that means there also aren't zeros. So this problem would have no solutions. I am going to go ahead and reflect these though. And then connect. So because it's floating and it never crosses the x, I don't need to factor it or do anything like that because there aren't going to be any solutions. I can tell just by looking at it. All right, for D, a football player kicks a football 2 feet above the ground with an upward velocity of 75 feet per second. The function h is equal to -16t squared plus 75t plus 2 gives the height h in feet of the football after t seconds. So after how many seconds is the football 50 feet above the ground? So that means we want to know when is h 50. So we need to know what t values make h equal to 50. Okay, so that means I need to plug 50 in for my h. So I have 50 is equal to -16t squared plus 75t plus 2. Because I want to know when h is 50, what is t? And now I'm going to solve for t. So I'm going to get that 50 on the other side by subtracting it from both sides. Oh, I put it under the t. Don't put it under the t. Under the variable, or under the constant. So I have 0 is equal to -16t plus 75t minus 48. Now, due to the numbers in this problem, you are not going to want to solve by factoring, and today we're working on solving by graphing anyway. So what I would do is put this in your graphing calculator. If you do not have a graphing calculator, there is a website called Desmos.com, and it can show you how this would be graphed. Now, that's only for a resource. It's not for you to not learn how to graph, but it is a good tool to check your work. So I will pull that up for you. If you are going to use your calculator, you put it into the graph, and then you use the 0 function. All right, so as you can see, I graphed this, or I put it in Desmos, and then it gives me my values right here. Okay, so those are my x-intercepts, those are my solutions. So that means that at about 0.8 seconds and at about 3.9 seconds, we have H equal to 50. So 0.8 seconds and then 3.9 seconds. That would be when the football would be 50 feet above the ground. All right, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to hear from all of you guys. And we only have a couple more weeks to go. So, yay, the end is near. Bye, guys.